Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring Chill Island on Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas. The ship's sun-splashed pool neighborhood with ocean views, cool drinks, and plenty of places to kick back. The first stop is Royal Bay Pool. This sprawling center of Chill Island has tons of space, shallow entry areas, and room to float without feeling crowded. Grab a lounger early if you want shade, and towels are complimentary. Just tap your sea pass at the towel station. Along the rail, you'll find ocean view whirlpools, perfect when the breeze picks up. You'll spot a number of hot tubs overlooking the ocean. These infinity style hot tubs are some of the best spots on the ship for catching sunset views while you unwind. No pool day is complete without a drink in hand. Here's the lime and coconut bar, serving up tropical cocktails, mocktails, and ice cold beers. Grab the signature Coco Loco in a bucket and you're officially in vacation mode. If you're looking for extra comforts, Chill Island has shaded day beds and cabanas you can reserve. These are perfect if you want a little more privacy while still being close to the action. My recommendation is to book the casitas that are on the ends that have the little extra end piece off to the left of where you are sitting versus the ones that have the walls. You can fit a couple of more chairs in and then have this additional privacy. Here is Swim and Tonic, which at the start of sailing Star of the Seas has now become an adults only area. I will say this section does get crowded throughout the day, so you may want to try getting here earlier if you want calmer vibes. And then if you don't want to take the steps, you can slide right on down back to deck 15. When hunger hits, you don't have to wander far. Just steps away are casual dining spots where you can grab poolside bites. Think burgers, tacos, and quick eats to keep you fueled for the day. So, whether you're lounging by the pool, relaxing in a hot tub, sipping cocktails, or enjoying ocean views from your cabana, Chill Island is the place to truly slow down and soak in your vacation. Thanks for joining me on this walking tour of Chill Islands aboard the Star of the Seas. This is See It With C. Thanks for traveling with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.